Okay, students, the product is 20. Product is 20. Of which two numbers? These two numbers. So can I say that 20 is equals to 10 multiplied by D? Okay.
2.
Now 10 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be in division. So 20 divided by 10. So value of D is 2 now. Value of D is 2 now. Okay. Now similarly, students, this 20 can be written as D into E. 20 can be written as D into E. Okay. Now students, the value of D is 2. Value of D is 2. So 2 into E. 2 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be division. So 20 divided by 2. So E will be 10. Now students, this 80 can be written as 10 into 8. Yes, we have already found out D and E. Now just move upward. B is the sum. B is the sum of this number and this number. So I can say that B is equals to 20 plus 20. So B will be 20 plus 20. That means B is equals to 40. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, student?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, so B is 40 now. So now C. C can be written as sum of these two. C can be written as sum of these two.
Yes,
So
sir.
C is equal to, student 20 plus 80. So 20 plus 80 is 100. So value of C is 100. Okay. Now we are only left with one variable, that is A. So A I have to find out. So the A is B plus, A is the difference. A is the difference of which? Two numbers B and C. So subtract the bigger subtract smaller number from bigger number.
Sir,
Smaller number is
sum.
40. See, A is the
Sir,
difference.
B and C are sum. Yes, sir. A is the
Yes, A is the difference now. So A means C minus B or either B minus C. Always make sure students just subtract smaller number from bigger number. Smaller number is B. So first of all write the bigger number, then the smaller number. So A is equal to 100 minus 40. So value of A is 60 now. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth part. Students, the difference is given, then the sum is given, then product, and then the number. Okay. The difference is 37. The sum is 98 and A. Product is B, C, and D. Numbers are 5, E, 9,
and
and 8. Okay. And I have to find out the value of A, B, C, D, E. Students, B is the product of 5 and E. B is the product of 5 and E. And
Yes,
E
sir.
I don't know. And students, E I don't know. So I can't find out the value of B. So what I will do, students, I will start the question from here. Because D is 9 into 8. D is equals to 9 into 8. It will be 72. All of you just mute your mic.
Yes, sir.
All of you just mute your mic. So D is equals to 72.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can't we start it from the upside?
From here?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you can start the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, students, value of D I have find out. Now C. C is equals to multiplication of these two. So C is equals to 9 into E. And E I don't know, students. But E I don't know. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what we can do, students?
Sir,
Okay.
we should start it from upside only.
Yes. See, students, I will start it from here. Now, 37. 37 is the difference of which these two numbers. 37 is the difference of which these two numbers. So, 37 is equal to the difference of 98 and A. I can write it like this. Okay. I can write
Yes,
it
sir.
37 as difference of these two. Now, see,
Yes.
A is negative. When it goes here, it will be positive. Okay. 98 as it is. 37 is positive. When it goes here, it will be negative. So the value of A will be how much? 61.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now A is 61. Okay. Now A is the sum of C and D. A is the sum of C and D. A that is 61 is sum of C and D. C I don't know, but D is 72.
Yes, sir.
D is 72, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 72, when it goes here, it will be subtraction. So 61 minus 72. So
Sir,
how
A
much it will
equals
be?
to 1, sir.
How much it will be, students? Minus how much? 11.
So 72 minus 61 or
11.
61 minus 72.
See, the number is negative. This number is positive. So when it goes here, it will be negative. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the bigger number is negative. So I have to take the negative sign here. Okay. So 61 minus 72, it will be 11.
Minus 11.
Okay. But students, here we get a negative number. Here we get negative number. That means, students, the number this A is greater than. See, as I am getting the negative number here, so it's not good that we
136.
get. Yes. So students, just do one thing. See, as the number is negative, so I have written the difference as 98 minus this. So just do one thing, students. See,
Plus.
one of the number will, yes, one of the number will become negative. So just, yes, I can write it the same way. So the value of C is minus 11. Now C is minus 11. Now C is the product of E and 9. C is the product of 9 and E. So as this is minus 11, this as it is. Okay.